Assalamu alaikum. This is the second video of the series Introduction to Photoshop. In the previous video we have covered how selections can be made on a picture or a part of a picture so that the changes can be applied to that specific part. This is a basic tool that you must know how to select a part of the image. For that we have three classes of tools, marquee tools, lasso tools, and then magic wand tool. We have covered all these selection tools in the previous video. Now in this video we are going to learn how different operations can be performed on an image. For that we must know first of all how we can move an image or a part of image, and similarly how we can copy a part of the image in the same image or to the another image. So let's start off with importing a file so that we can select and then we can make changes on that. So now the image has been opened, and if you want to move a part of the image, we must first of all select it. For example, this is the part of the image that I want to move. So first of all select it, and then this here is the move tool. As you can see, the topmost tool in the tools bar, just click on it and then bring the mouse cursor over here on the part and then click and drag to anywhere you want. So this is how we can move a part of the image from one point to the other. Now if you want to copy a part of the image into the same image or to the other image, let's see what is the process. This is the selection that you have made, and if you want to copy it to another part of the image in the same image, you just have to select the move tool and then you have to keep pressing Alt key when you are moving it to another part. For example, if you want to move it to another part, you will just keep pressing Alt key. So this thing will be copied as many times as you want to another part of the image. So you just have to press the Alt key and then click and drag to wherever you want it. And if you want to copy this area to another image, you should first of all open that image to which you want to copy this. Now you will see two images opened over here. Let's say you have selected this part and you want this part to be copied to another image. You just have to go to edit, copy, and then go to the second image that you have opened, and here just paste it. So that area that you have copied from another image will be copied to the other image. The process is a little different. For example, here you just have to click on edit, and then by opening this next image to which you want to copy, then you will go again to edit and then paste. So this was all for today. We learned how we can move or copy any part of the image. Inshallah, in the next video we are going to cover some painting tools. Jazakallah.